Ever look at someone's desk and think, how is this so calm and cute while mine looks like a paperwork volcano? The secret often isn't another organizer or productivity app, it's something small, green, and quietly alive. Desk plants don't just sit there, they boost your mood, soften harsh office vibes, and some even help clean the air, while asking almost nothing from you in return. No garden skills, no sun-drenched window, just a tiny pot and the occasional sip of water. Here are 26 of the best office desk plants that barely need space, barely need effort, and absolutely transform your workspace. One might even bring you luck. ZZ Plant. The I forget to water hero. ZZ thrives in fluorescent light, forgives neglect, and its glossy leaves make your desk look instantly more intentional and put together. Pothos, the ultimate beginner plant. Pothos loves low light, doesn't mind irregular watering, and trails beautifully over shelves or monitor arms. It's almost impossible to kill, seriously. Prayer plant. This one actually moves. At night, its patterned leaves fold upward like praying hands. Compact and colorful, it's a tiny reminder to pause and breathe during your workday. Cactus. For the minimalist who forgets everything, cacti need water so rarely it's almost suspicious. Take up basically no space, and their quirky shapes always spark conversation. Philodendron. Heart-shaped leaves, cozy vibes. Philodendron handles low light, adds instant softness to any desk, and quietly helps remove toxins from the air while it looks lush and pretty. Lucky bamboo. Plant meets gold luck charm. Lucky bamboo can grow in water or soil and is said to attract positivity and protection. Keep it near your monitor as your anti-bad meeting talisman. Asparagus fern. Feathery, cloud-like foliage that looks delicate but is surprisingly tough. It gives your desk a soft, airy feel without demanding constant fuss or attention. Nerve plant. Small plant, big personality. With bright pink, red, or white veins on its leaves, the nerve plant fits even the tiniest corner and is completely pet safe. Boston fern. For vintage, cozy energy, its soft fronds spill gracefully over the pot, thriving in indirect light and moderate humidity. Suddenly, your desk feels like a peaceful reading nook. Spider plant. An air-purifying superstar. Arching green and white leaves make your space feel fresh, and it grows adorable little baby plants that dangle like decorations or can be repotted. Oxalis. A little purple drama. Oxalis has dark clover-like leaves that fold at night like they're going to sleep. It thrives in partial sun and adds instant color to any desk. Jade plant. Often called the money plant, jade is believed to attract wealth and good fortune. Its plump, glossy leaves and sturdy stems give off calm, steady, prosperous energy. African violet. Tiny plant, real flowers. African violet brings velvety leaves and pops of purple, pink, or white blooms, all in a compact size that fits easily beside your keyboard. Snake plant. The office survivor. Snake plants handle low light, dry air, and mist waterings without drama. Their upright, striped leaves add a modern sculptural touch while helping clean the air. Tillandsia, or air plant. No soil, no problem. Air plants just need a mist or quick soak now and then. Set one in a glass bowl, shell, or piece of driftwood for instant minimalist art. Parlor palm. A tiny indoor palm that brings vacation energy to your cubicle. Slow-growing, elegant, and low-maintenance, it stays green year-round with just modest care. Hawaiian sunshine dracaena. Tall, bold, and bright, its yellow-striped green leaves tolerate low light and dry air-conditioned offices. It's the I'm living despite everything plant. Chinese evergreen. Subtle but stylish. Chinese evergreen has patterned leaves that love indirect light and warm rooms, the same cozy conditions your office probably already has. Water lettuce. Floating living decor. Water lettuce forms rosettes that sit on top of water in a vase or bowl. Add pebbles and you've got a tiny, calming aquatic garden for your desk. Rex begonia. For the color lovers, Rex begonia has wild patterned leaves in reds, silvers, and greens. It doesn't just decorate your desk, it turns it into a statement piece. Peace lily. The queen of dark corners, peace lilies stay lush in low light and send up elegant white blooms. Keep the soil slightly moist and you'll get long-lasting spa-like serenity. Spiderwort. Slim leaves, small purple blooms, and a faint shimmer in the right light. Spiderwort handles everything from bright to low light and quietly steals the show. Aloe, your tiny green guardian. Aloe thrives in bright indirect light, dry air, and occasional watering. It also helps filter toxins like benzene and formaldehyde, great for busy, tech-filled desks. Kalanchoe, a cheerful bloomer. Kalanchoe is a succulent that produces clusters of bright flowers, often thriving even under office lighting. It's way easier to care for than it looks. Ponytail Palm, instant personality. Its thick base stores water, and its long curly leaves spill over like a fountain of green hair. It's playful, sculptural, and wildly low maintenance. English Ivy, soft trailing vines that relax your entire setup. English Ivy can climb or cascade, helps purify the air, and adds a natural calming touch to shelves and desk edges. And there you have it, 26 tiny powerhouses that don't just sit on your desk, they change how it feels to work there. Whether you're chasing cleaner air, softer vibes, more color, or just a friendly green face to glance at between emails, there's a plant here for you. If this helped you choose your next desk buddy, hit that like button, subscribe, and keep growing with us, because even the smallest plant can make the biggest difference.